Langley Chrysler is proud to be partnering with Alice Brown Elementary to run this GoFundMe, and we'll be matching donations up to $2,500.
We are just trying to raise some money to help the kids, to help with their home reading kits. The books that the kids are currently using are very outdated, falling apart, they're all taped together.
One of our books broke the front page. And I like reading all the series. I can't keep count, I read so much. I just really want to read.
One of the big fundraisers that our school community puts forward every other year is called a fun night, and it's kind of a carnival games, and unfortunately with COVID we're going to miss it this year, and that's the last one. We'll raise just over $7,000. Thanks for your support, and really appreciate it. Our kids appreciate it and our staff appreciate it. Thank you.
We love Alice Brown! Yay!
So please give what you can or share this video. We thank you all for your support.